Hello everyone. So in this lecture we are going to be talking about the Samdump2 which is a tool for OS hacking, and in penetration testing Wheelman walks you through pulling hashes from the SAM database on a Windows machine. So syskey is the Microsoft utility for encrypts the SAM database. So syskey uses the boot key for encryption, which is actually a 4 separated keys that contain in a hidden field within the registry. Luckily, there are some tools that can do the hard work for extracting that keys for us. So BK Hive is used to extract the key, and then Samdump2 is used to decrypt the SAM database and reveal the password hashes. The hashes must be cracked using John the Ripper or another similar hash cracking tool. So let's now go to the step-by-step process. So we'll be cracking a Windows 10 logging password using a Kali Linux operating system, and there are many other ways by which you can easily crack the Windows logon password. So one of which is this one. So prerequisite, there are some prerequisites. So you have like Kali Linux iOS image and Rufus software. And first of all, what is SAM file? So when we go and crack the login password or Windows machine, then we need hashes so that we stored within the Windows SAM file on a configuration location. So first we have to make a bootable USB of Kali Linux. So just download the Rufus tool and install the boot from the software. As you can see, just check all of those like this, and you just press start and it will complete the process of booting a bootable USB. So after successfully creating a bootable USB, your USB will look like this image. So just ignore it. So when you'll go back to the login screen on your machine and enter the wrong password 1 or 2 times to create a SAM logs into the system. Then just connect the bootable USB to the computer USB port. Enter the BIOS setup by pressing the escape key, and then bootable USB, and it will start, and then you will get the interface same as like this. Now click the first option. As you can see is selected. Will go ahead and start the process, and it will take some time, 5 to 10 minutes, and then after that we have fully installed the Kali Linux on our bootable USB, and we have entered into the Kali Linux operating system. So let's start the process of cracking the password of Windows 10 machine. So first of all, you have to do is you have to locate the file manager and open it. So after opening it, you have to go to the other location, then select the second directory where SAM is saved. The directory is probably, as you all know, which is C drive of the Windows machine where the Windows is installed. So after that, just right click on the blank space of the file manager and open a terminal like this, and here we just click and go to this directory using cd Windows cd system2 and cd config to locate one by one using the cd command, and then we have reached the place where the SAM file is kept. So basically we will be unable to read the SAM file, which is why we will use a tool that will crack the Windows 10 password itself, and you can crack all the feature using a certain command on Samdump2. So let's just go and use this Samdump2 tool. So Samdump tool is a built-in and a small utility designed to dump hashes with the help of SAM files. So if in some cases of the if you use like PW dump tool that does not work well, you can also use PW dump tool. Then you can also use what's the name? Okay, CHNTPW chain tool also use the same case like Samdump2. So if others tools does not work well, then you can use this tool called Samdump2 and just execute a simple command like this: Samdump2 system space sam, and then it will just, as you can see, it will load all the administrator that is in here, and then after that we just go to the desktop hashes to get the password from the login Windows login. It will save all of those in a hashes.txt file on, as you can see, it will be saved on desktop if you select the directory. And after that we think the John the Ripper tool would be best option for cracking the Windows 10 password, and we know how John the Ripper will use. It's very simple, just clicking the John the Ripper will get you all the option, and after that just use the password and just log in, and you will just instantly log into your Windows device without any given password.